Turn on the recording. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Now for the community, कि for all, for we all, ख्वाब देखो तो मेहनत करो, ख्वाब देखो तो मेहनत करो और हार से मत डरो, ख्वाब देखो तो मेहनत करो और हार से मत डरो, कहां तक दूर भागेगी मंजिल, तुम एक बार दौड़ तो पड़ो। और फिर सर ये आपके लिए कि वो एक अकेला चला था, वो एक अकेला चला था, राह में कईयों से मिला था। गिव मी अ मोमेंट सर, गिव मी अ मोमेंट। वो एक अकेला चला था, राह में कईयों से मिला था, आज 120 साथी हैं उसके, क्योंकि उसका हौसला बड़ा था।
वाह,
थैंक यू।
नाइस
फिर
नाइस
सर ये सर कम्युनिटी के लिए, पूरी फैमिली के लिए, कि पूरे समूह की अलग बात है, पूरे समूह की अलग बात है, हर पल संग सर का हाथ है, और हम सब पाएंगे अपनी मंजिल एक दिन, अब एक नया परिवार जो साथ है।
Thank you so much. That was really nice.
This is last one sir.
Very nice.
थैंक यू मैम। आज जमी है तो कल आसमां भी होगा, आज जमी है तो कल आसमां भी होगा, एक दिन 2 लाख का कारवां भी होगा।
वाह वाह,
आज जमी है तो कल आसमां भी होगा, एक दिन
Sir,
2
your
लाख का
mission.
कारवां भी होगा।
वाह मैं दिल छू ले
आज
भाई।
जमी है, आज जमी है, just give me a moment, just last 4 lines। आज जमी है कल आसमां भी होगा, एक दिन 2 लाख का कारवां भी होगा, और मेरा मालिक वो दिन बहुत जल्दी लाए, आकाश की ओर से आकाश भर शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू।
Awesome.
Wow.
ग्रेट एंडिंग मैन। ठोको
आकाश
ठोको
की ओर से
ठोको।
आकाश भर शुभकामनाएं। बहुत ही अच्छा।
एंडिंग अच्छा था।
Please, all
Very
of you,
nice.
you should speak out something about Akash poem because जान डाल दी इसने सेशन में।
इनफैक्ट
Yes, sir.
रिव्यू से लैंग्वेज वाला पार्ट हटा दे तो ये जीत गया है। इसका पोएम इतना अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा पोएम है।
बहुत अच्छा।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सर।
Saurabh, you can bring your face and your like your daughter is also coming, trying to come over there. Bring her. Okay. Yeah. So in today's session, you can call your kids also. Right now, we can have some kids games with the kids also. Okay. I can call my son.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll get my daughter just a sec.
Yeah. Okay. Do it. So now, let's focus on all these things. I will just call my family also over here. There is some voice coming from the background. Can you just
I think it's a television voice, yeah.
Television voice. 9 p.m. news.
Prime time.
Should I call my kids as well?
Yes, yes, definitely. You can call yourself, na?
So you are calling your wife?
Okay. Okay, so you can just speak out something. It feels like we were sitting together and having fun. Yeah, that was the purpose of this session, because I didn't want to make it completely, you can say, like boring. I would like to make it extremely engaging. Yeah, Baza, it is feeling so much like a family, despite of we haven't met each other in person. Then also, Natasha, really enjoying Swati. Okay. Saurabh Singh enjoyed the analysis. Congrats, Abhi Krishna. Okay. Can you give me a moment, please? Can you just speak out something? Okay.
He's sleeping.
Murli sir. Hello. Sir, you speak something, sir. We would like to hear from you, sir.
Actually, I am one of the old members here.
That's why I asked.
I miss other old members. I am
Okay,
feeling
okay.
much separated from means many new members have joined the community, and maybe because of my busy schedule in the office, I am not able to mingle with you
Okay, okay.
as much as I actually wanted to. But still,
Missing all buddies.
it is actually a wonderful thing to have an anniversary like this, and at least out of the 116 today, more joined. I think we
120.
have reached, yeah, 120. At least I think today we have 20. So it is not
Almost 18, 20 fluctuating.
yeah. So it is really nice, and for all of you, I am telling you it is a great opportunity. Actually, you have decided to be in the right path, because the digital community is growing, and if you remain doing things not systematically, without any guidance, you will be nowhere, because
Yeah.
we will be in the great ocean, swimming without direction. So, as it was told by Earl Nightingale very rightly, we must have our objective. At the same time, we must have good guidance also.
Exactly.
So otherwise, we will not be knowing how to sail towards the object. So that is what we are getting a lot of experience from Mr. Rajendra Soni, and even from other people like, say, Poonam Malik ji or Saurabha ma'am, or who is that, our say on Mrs. Khan. So those all are very good and experienced people in the community. We have to also learn a lot of things from them. It is a very nice opportunity over here, and whoever who are in are really lucky. Best wishes to all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Also, one more thing, who's the youngest member in the community right now? Because for a very long time, I was the youngest one. Then I turned 20, so I'm guessing someone else is younger.
Okay, so here is my daughter. My son is sleeping right now, and
She is the youngest one.
bolo. What's your name?
Rajendra Soni sir didn't got the question. Abhyug,
Yeah.
you repeat it.
Yeah, so I was wondering who the youngest member in the community right now is. Because
Avyuk, you want to hear your name? Avyuk, you want to hear your name?
oh, sure, turned 20 now. I actually feel very old.
Hmm.
Like 20 already.
I think it's either Avyuk or Shivangi, right?
Hmm.
I think it's Rohan.
Yeah, Rohan Kalonia.
Rohan
Yeah, Rohan.
17-year-old enthusiast.
Oh, great.
Rohan just like passed his 10th class.
Oh,
awesome.
great,
That's
great.
Oh.
great.
Okay, so Sonika, you can say something.
Hello, Sonika.
Hello.
Hello, my name
Hello.
is Monica.
Say
Hi.
hi to everyone.
Hi.
Hello.
The new Monica.
She actually is also very interested in these all the grammar quizzes which are happening, and all the like the writing part. So I am thinking that if it doesn't disturb her studies, then she can move inside our group, come inside the group,
Oh,
and
that would be great
to
then.
improve her English actually.
Yeah.
Okay. You can go on. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You want to say something? Some poem? Some song?
Thank you.
You can do it. Okay. Thank you so much. Now, okay, Prakash ji, what name you have kept for the daughter?
Oh, her name is Vanya.
Vanya.
Over face,
Yes.
na?
Okay.
I want to see her
Beautiful name.
face.
Beautiful. Awesome. That is
She's
really good.
sleeping.
Yeah, she's
Prakash,
sleeping.
she's
Yeah, let me
sleeping.
How many now? 2 months, 3
Okay.
months? 2 months.
No,
She's
don't disturb her.
70 days now.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, she's
Awesome. Beautiful.
Oh,
so
beautiful.
cute.
Cute.
Avyuk, please bring your
She's
kids.
so cute.
Yeah, she is. Luckily she takes after her mother. So yeah.
Okay. Mayur, you should also bring.
Actually, Prakash, I still can't get over that photo, you know, of her with her tongue out. You and her lying on the bed and she with her tongue out.
Yeah.
I think she was much younger then, no?
Yeah, I think she was 30, 40
It was
days
an
old.
awesome photo, actually.
Yeah. And now she has a YouTube channel.
Okay, now let us have a song from Swati. This is a surprise.
Wow.
She's not prepared for this, but she will say something. She will just do it now.
Me?
See, for the sake of the community,
No.
the community is just like your family, and you
Ah.
should do it.
I can't.
Okay, Saurabh then.
Sir, I
Anyone?
can sing in Pahadi. Pahadi
Okay.
song.
Okay,
One
you can do
Pahadi
it.
song.
One Pahadi, one Hindi song also.
Okay, you can do it. Yeah.
No, I live in Nainital, so I will sing one Pahadi song for everyone.
Okay,
Sure,
Just
sure.
4 lines.
do it.
पेड़ुपाको पाडुमासा पेड़ुपाको बाडुमासा हो मेरी रानी कफल पाको चैता मेरी छैला हो मेरी रानी कफल पाको चैता मेरी छैला बलमोड़ा की नंदा देवी अल्मोड़ा की नंदा देवी हो मेरी रानी कपल पाको चैता मेरी छैला हो मेरी रानी कपल पाको चैता मेरी छैला. Thank you.
Awesome.
nice.
That was
Wow.
really awesome. Really great. So,
Thank
like,
you.
it was all about like we just understood Almora and Nana Devi
Nanda Devi.
because we
Nanda
don't
Devi.
know Pahari language. But although I was
No, sir,
like,
I also don't know. Just after listening this song, I just recall these words. I don't know the meaning, exact meaning of these words. I myself don't
okay.
know.
But when you were singing it, that and then I was like thinking that I was in Parashar Lake where I went last time because there was also a festival over there and it was really good, like awesome feeling when I was there. All the party and parties over there, and
Sir,
they were,
you can come here also because all the resorts are open and they are actually giving the opportunity for those who are working from home.
so what will happen like when we will be coming if you are driving from home, then
Yes.
where we will be stopped in the middle or between
No, sir,
cities.
nobody is stopping.
Nobody is stopping.
Nobody is stopping. No.
So
Recently, I have came from Mathura. Nobody has stopped me.
so
Nobody
we are
is
coming
stopping.
on this weekend. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Most
actually, even
welcome.
international flights have opened. One of my friends recently went to Qatar.
So on this weekend we are going to Swati's hometown. Okay. And we'll
All
be
of you are
visiting-
welcome, sir. Most welcome.
So where you will take her to to this take us to Jim Corbett, Nainital,
Yes, sir.
or somewhere else?
Sir, anywhere, anywhere.
See,
As you wish.
This is basically mine and like many other writers over here, and Prakash also like dream over here that when this coronavirus thing is going away, then we will be planning a trip for all the digital entrepreneurs to some heavenly place. Okay, because
Okay, sir.
we all like all other people in this world, we have also suffered a lot, and as writers, we need some like these type of trips so that we can actually get out of that
Refresh
feeling
our
and
minds.
become more
Yes,
creative.
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so definitely we will be doing that. So now like poems, songs, anything else? Do you want to say something, Priyanka? Do you want to sing a song? because last time when Swati shared her video with the music in the background, that video went viral. So now we are live. This is the best opportunity for you, for any person who wants to actually present their talent in front of the people. Okay, so utilize this type of talent when these things are happening. Okay, otherwise I don't have prepared for any like song or something, but we can sing a song together. We can do a prarthana also. Which prarthana we can do right now? Yeah, we can speak this one. Do you know all the this one? Teri hai zami.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Little bit, na? Just do it. Teri hai zami, tera
आसमां,
तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू
बख्शीश कर,
सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शीश कर. तेरी है ज़मीं, तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शीश कर. सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे,
बख्शीश कर.
तेरी मर्जी हमें रखे, तेरी मर्जी हमें मारे,
हमें पाने.
तेरी ही again. I don't know that what to say beyond that, but I felt like doing it because this is the need.
Very nice.
Time
of the
hour right now.
It's a need of an hour.
Human beings actually think that they are powerful than nature and God and everything, but this is not happening.
Sir, Murli Krishna is saying something.
Yeah, Murli, please.
We have one Tamil song.
Yeah, please speak out. Please. Whatever from this is Digital Adventist Hub is India actually. Complete India over here.
Right. Yes,
okay.
Sir.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
They're doing practice or what? I think.
Not me. I don't know Tamil at all.
Warm up exercise.
One person who is knowing very much Tamil, Saurabha ma'am is there. I was demanding from her.
Yeah, I know Tamil, but I don't want to put you all through the torture of listening to me singing. So let's just.
See, there are many participants who have turned off their videos and they are watching each and everything. So we have a lot of audience over here. Non-video participants is also showing up in Zoom. Okay, so please just go ahead. Avyukt.
Sir, I cannot sing. Honestly, there are a lot of things I can do, and singing is clearly not one of them.
Okay, no worries. Prakashji, do you want to do something? Do you want to say something? Okay, not regarding that. Okay, please speak out. Yeah.
आकाश ने जो बड़ी अच्छी सी पोएम सुनाई, उसके बाद मेरे दिमाग में एक हिंदी का मैंने कोट सा पढ़ा था. ऑफ कोर्स मेरा नहीं है, बट कुछ ऐसा रहता है ये. इट्स क्वाइट मोटिवेशनल. हमेशा मुझे याद आता है कि कौन कहता है फलक में सुराख हो नहीं सकता, कौन कहता है फलक में सुराख हो नहीं सकता, एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यार.
तबीयत से उछालो दोस्तों.
ये तो फेमस वाला है.
तो मेरे दिमाग में यही आ रहा था. So all I would say is it's all about we are a community. Let's grow together. Whatever goal you are going to set, you can achieve it. So that is for sure. Like I have worked with a lot of people. I have seen them grow over these years, and I have grown myself over these years. So whatever you set your target on, you can achieve it. And there is no secret. There is no secret formula, secret recipe. No one ever knew anything more than that. All they did was they continue putting their best foot forward, one step after another. So every day, if you do that, I'm pretty sure you all are going to be amazing. And to be honest, if you are here, you are a part of this community, you are already a step ahead of everyone else, right? So that's what I would say. You can do.
Thank you so much, Prakash. And I would like to read the comments right now. Priyanka is saying Nazar na lage community ko. Natasha is saying so cute. Jim Corbett, she wants to go. And Prasanjit Raha, who is our new member, he's saying, sorry, wow, great plan. And Murali Krishna, can we have one Tamil song from Mrs. Saurabha? Saurabha Mahesh, please turn on your mic first of all. You're laughing, we cannot hear you.
No,
Actually,
actually,
private party.
Sarji,
Oh, it's
I'm
a
a
private party.
Kannadiga
That's
who
all.
lived in Chennai, you know.
Yeah, please do it.
And if Nikhil can cooperate, maybe we can sing some Hindi song together.
Definitely,
Nikhil-
Because
definitely.
I don't know the lyrics of any song properly. Nikhil,
And there is one video which is sent by Mayur today in the afternoon.
yeah, that
Okay.
was awesome actually.
I'm just playing that video over here from the Facebook page
Yes,
only
sir.
directly.
Yes,
I hope you will be able to see it. First of all, let me. Okay.
Okay, your screen is not being shared. I think.
Yeah.
This one also.
This was the beginning. You, bro. What about the arrangements? Deal.
You finance, I will arrange. Name high.
Listen, bro, Mama Trump gave money.
No, I'm not that kind of guy.
We have got bells in Dubai.
This is the coolest one, Trump dancing.
Okay, guys. So this was the video which Mayur Dhupe has shared, and he has been sharing. See, we have got different people with a lot of different talent in our group. So it is my idea that we should promote each one of them who is having a different talent other than writing also in our group. So if you have really good voice, you can start doing your voiceovers. We will help you with your community building, with your audience building, with your clients, with many things we can help, with your social media promotions. If you have something like you are a really good singer, you want to go forward in that, Digital Admirals is there to support you. If you are someone who is having who wants to become a really good poet, just like Akash, we are there to support you. Okay, so whatever talent you have, we always welcome. We are not like a community, and like a really non-boring type of community, which is not only focusing on writing. We are focusing on basically talent. Okay, if you are talented and you want to showcase that in front of the people, join us. Okay, so thank you so much for joining. We are also doing camera confidence building exercises in our WhatsApp group. It's a separate group. Over there also you can join. And Risha Khan is saying, I would love to work as a voiceover artist. Training needed. Very nice. training is available over there. And Sneha Ramesh Bhatt, she's also watching from the Facebook Live right now, and she is also like interested in voiceover. Although Swati, can you share your experience regarding voiceover from the the Anchor FM or whatever channel was that? Swati is also interested. Good.
Sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. It was a surprise for me because I have just participated in that competition randomly. It was not quite planned, but after joining your camera session group, I became more confident, and I was not knowing about this talent of mine that I can also work on podcast. Just take it after joining your camera session. I just randomly took that competition, and then they called me up, and then they said that your voice was awesome. We really liked it, and as it started like that.
That's really great thing. That actually, even if you're not landed into some work right now, but people are noticing it. That's a really good thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because
yes, it will take some time.
People have started noticing, then you will get work also. And the most important thing is
it will take some time.
Yeah. If this is your passion, suppose if I just talked with Mayur today, and Mayur's passion is basically reflecting in the video, that he can actually create trendy videos which can actually have an impact on people's mind and make them like comfortable. Okay, and then they can join a session like this one. So he is basically presenting the right thing in front of the right people at the right time. This is also needed.
Yes, sir.
And if he wants to go along forward on this journey, our support is there always for you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
For Swati, Saurabha is into storytelling. She wants to become the country's best storyteller. You can do it. Actually, everything is in your mind only. If you want to become that,
yes, sir,
you will become that definitely. But you need to think about that all the time. There will be a lot of things, family responsibilities. The number one thing. Okay. Then taking time off your regular work. Then many other things. But you need to. If you will push it, then you will definitely reach it. There is something about luck, but luck comes with hard work. You need to push hard, and then you reach your luck, your destination. Okay, with all those things in our mind, and please tell me, how was the session today?
So one thing, please.
Yeah.
So my daughter wants to congratulate you. My daughter wants to congratulate.
Congratulations on your first anniversary.
Thank you so much.
On digital
My anniversary. It's basically our anniversary. Digital Entrepreneurs Hub anniversary. All the people are the faces of this community. I'm not the only face. Prakash Pandey, Nikhil Sharma, Priyanka, and Muli Krishna, Nitin Kher, Abu, Saurabha, Natasha, Mayur, Shibangi, Abhi Krishna, Swati Gandelwal, all are the faces of this.
Actually,
community.
she was hearing about anniversary. She thought it might be your anniversary.
Yeah, exactly.
My anniversary is on April 16. Okay, so it's far away.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So thoroughly enjoyed. Prasanjit is also saying. So that's a really powerful thing which is happening now, that we are basically connected and we are having a feeling. When we are sitting alone at home, we are with family, that's fine. We are in good condition. Everything is good. But these type of sessions actually give us like a sudden moral boost. We get ideas. We can we can implement our creative mind, and we can do something different. This can like become very viral. And you know that online writing, digital writing is all about becoming famous, becoming viral. And even the coaching part. If you're thinking about becoming a coach or something, then if you become viral, you will get a lot of benefit from that. In this today's time, it's all about presentation and like entertainment, like we have heard in the movie over there. Okay.
Sarji?
Yeah.
Sarji, I think we can ask Avyukt to present jokes or something. He's into stand-up comedy actually.
Yeah, actually, I was
that's
about
a
to
good
say
idea.
that. Yeah,
Avyukt.
right.
Avyukt, please speak up.
Yeah, since he's
Oh
a
my God.
college goer, he will have content ready actually.
We are basically enjoying this
Abhi,
session
we're not
today.
going to leave you like
We
this.
want.
I didn't see my plan backfiring like this, but okay.
Can we have some jokes from you? Avyuk?
Jokes. Usually I have my script prepared. Just a minute, let me check my phone. I usually write them down, and I haven't performed in almost 7 months because of the lockdown, so I've forgotten most of them.
Okay. So by the time Avyukta is coming back with his written material, so we can focus on something else. Tala is saying, great session. It was great to connect with you all, especially the new members and also the senior members.
Especially 4
Let us
new
have many
members.
more such anniversaries together. In the entire day today, I literally smiled and laughed a lot right now during the session.
Yeah, Natasha,
That's-
we want to hear something from you. Yeah, Natasha.
Natasha is not speaking anything. I think she is in the
Mute.
hospital or somewhere, I think.
Oh, okay.
Natasha is saying that this is the best video that Mayur has shared and it literally cracked me up so that she can join the session over here. So if I am doing something and Mayur is adding value in that and we are igniting a spark with the help of Prakash and Nikhil and Priyanka and all these guys, Mayur, like Murali and everyone. See, each member is important in the community. All are basically providing a lot of value. For Rajinder sir, sometimes angels are just ordinary people who help us believe in miracles again. For Prakash Pandey, not for me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was a bit absent-minded. I was thinking something. What was it?
This is best video. Okay. So, very nice. Thank you so much for sharing lot of wishes, good wishes, blessings. And I think Avyukt is getting ready. Abu, you can share something right now. You've not spoken anything. Please do it. Then Shibangi, Nikhil.
So what you would like to hear? Anyone? First question, then
कोई
I'll
शायरी
show.
सुना दो यार.
नहीं शायरी से मैं दूर हूँ दूर no when everyone means I don't know who knows since we didn't interacted actually my first language is Urdu up to 12th standard I read in means Urdu medium 10th standard Urdu medium then after English medium and all those went off.
Okay.
So whenever anyone came to know that yeah I have a Urdu background two things comes first यार कोई शायरी सुना दो यार मेरा नाम उर्दू में लिख दो.
All the non-video participants, you should turn on your videos.
क्या है कि मेरा कभी उर्दू में शायरी का कभी रहा नहीं वो लिखना या कोट्स को अच्छे से याद करना उसको मतलब जैसे मेरा अपना एक बनाया हुआ है कि हम लोग हर वक्त टेंशन करते हैं ये करते हैं वरी करते हैं चिंता चिता चाप पाप आराम हराम चिंता जो हमेशा चिता समान तो ये तो काफी है चाप लेना जो हम लोग ओवर वरी करके ओवर प्रेशर करते हैं अपने आप को ठीक है तो वरी करते हैं तो चिंता चिता चाप पाप उसके बाद आराम हराम उसको मतलब रिडायरेक्ट करो आराम मत करो ये वरी करते रहो टेंशन करते उसको रिडायरेक्ट करो काम करने में आराम मत करो आराम हराम मैं अपने आप को मेरा स्कूल टाइम आई थिंक स्कूल टाइम और 11th 12 लाइक दैट मैंने अपना ये करा था उस वक्त ऐसे यूं था कि कॉलेज स्कूल से आते ही खेलने जाता था तो अम्मी बोले यार रेस्ट कर ले तो ये कोट बोल के निकल दिया.
Okay. So, like Mayur, can you add something over here?
Yeah, definitely.
Can you talk something about your like a video? How this idea came to your mind?
Yeah, definitely. Since a few days, I was out of zone, and suddenly Rajinder sir sent me the messages regarding the anniversary India. So I thought that and I also seen the messages of the writing contest, review contest. Okay, so I thought that let me do it some other way because since last 1 month I also actually came to know that my passion and interest is into this video making. So I was learning it. So I thought that let me do it in my own way and make a video for that. So at night around 12, the thought came to my mind. So then I started to do some research. What are the possible videos that I can take from the YouTube and related to this context of the party. So that is how it came to mind. And in the morning, I started working.
So what about like if I give you further assignments?
Oh, yeah, definitely. I'm looking forward to it.
Definitely.
Yeah.
You'll be getting them now. That's
Yeah,
a really
thank
great
you.
thing that you have shared.
Yeah.
Now let's go to the Nikhil. Nikhil, please speak up.
Sir, I'd like to sing a song, maybe with.
Please
Saurabh
go
ma'am.
ahead. हम तो वेट कर रहे हैं किसी की कोई बोले कुछ.
Yeah, I saw Saurabh ma'am like rehearsing something. You were rehearsing something.
No, we were not rehearsing, but
I saw that.
but I think Saurabh ma'am's video in mic is paused, I think. Oh, I think yeah, she's available
Okay.
now.
Nikhil, you carry on. After you, I'll sing.
Ma'am, you have to sing with me, otherwise I cannot sing alone.
Yeah, which song?
You suggest which one you like to sing.
No,
They
I
have
was
both
thinking
male
I
and female
had one
voice.
song. See, I'm very poor with remembering lyrics. So, simpler
It's okay,
the
ma'am.
song that I connected with this hub, no?
Right, yeah.
2 songs I connected with. One has, sir, it's not for you personally, okay? So don't take this song personally. It is for the hub, okay? So it's a love song, that's why.
Okay.
Which one?
तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया, तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया,
Nice voice.
जिंदगी धूप तुम घना साया, तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया.
Wow, that is
Nikhil, you
really
want?
nice.
You have a sweet voice, ma'am.
Yeah, just like Swati ma'am. Yeah.
We've got a lot of
Very
like people over here who are like very talented. They've got. I would like to say that Priyanka should also speak out something, and even Nikhil. Nikhil, first of all, just speak sing your song.
Yes. So actually, as Saurabh ma'am has make the mood a little bit romantic, so let me make it a little bit more energetic once again. So I'd like to sing a song "Rang De Basanti" in the movie Rang De Amir Khan's. So थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की,
We can sing along.
थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी खुशबू बोराई सी मस्त पवन की, थोड़ी सी झोंकने वाली धक 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 सांसें, जिनमें हो जुनू जुनू वो बूंदें लाल लहू की, ये रंग तू खिला खिला ले, ये रंग तू मिला मिला ले, ये रंग तू खिला खिला ले, ये रंग तू मिला मिला ले, मोहे मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती यारा, मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती, ओए 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 मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती. Thank you sir, thank you.
That was really great. That was really great. ऐसे ही एक सॉन्ग है इसमें खलबली, वो भी बहुत अच्छा है.
खलबली है.
जब कोई इंस्पिरेशन चाहिए ना आपको बहुत लाइक मैं वो सुनता हूँ एक्चुअली बेसिकली जब मैं बिल्कुल डाउन हो रहा हूँ, लाइक मेरे को लग रहा है कि मैं आगे नहीं पुश नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, मुझे अपनी लिमिट्स को पुश करना है और कम्युनिटी को आगे के जाना है और मेरे को लाइक काम करना है 4-5 घंटे सोकर भी, तो मैं इस सॉन्ग को सुनता हूँ. खलबली है खलबली, खलबली है खलबली, खलबली है खलबली है खलबली, खलबली है खलबली, खलबली है खलबली, खलबली है खलबली है खलबली. क्या आगे आप गा
आगे चोला लहराए, जरिया जरिया लहराए,
जर्रा जर्रा
ना 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 खलबली, something like that.
Awesome. That was
Awesome,
really
sir.
great.
Awesome, sir.
That was an awesome session.
Any of you know this song?
We all are waiting and you like अब बच के निकल जा रहे हो.
देखो रंग पम पम.
Okay, please.
Voice is breaking, ma'am.
Okay, Avyukt.
Sir, no, sir. I think we'll pass on my performance. I just looked through my jokes. They're either politically incorrect
This is the
most of the
best
time.
extempore session
Everything is connected again.
which has automatically happened.
Yeah.
In the camera confidence building group, our extempore session was like remaining. It was not done till now. And today we are getting, without any like a hint or something, we need to do something. So that's a really good thing, which is coming. Okay, we've got Praveen over here, and Praveen is like lost some weight, I think. I need to like know the secret from him. I've gained a lot of weight. And
Avoid sugar, sir.
Okay, due to sugar. Sorry.
I want to share my story. Then it's going to means losing weight. Actually, I'm a foodie guy. Means last October I left college, and after November, December, due to some incident, I broke my hand and then plaster and all. So no exercise, nothing and all. So I was eating, no nothing, no activity. So I was gaining weight. And my sister used to, भैया कितना खाओगे, बहुत वेट बढ़ रहा है, कम खाओ. बोले यार होने दो, वो खाने का मूड है, खाने दो. और मैं जब होगा बढ़ेगा, अभी और बढ़ाएंगे. मैं बोला कि और बढ़ाएंगे, कम होगा. जब एक्सट्रीम मुझे लगेगा अब एक्सट्रीम हो गया है, तब मैं कम उसको करूंगा, अभी होने दो. So that continued, and I think continued till December or January like that. मैं बोला कि यार बहुत हो गया. Actually all my shirts were getting tight and means very tight to button है. तो मैं बोला कि नहीं यार अब बहुत हो गया, अब नहीं. तो उसके बाद मैंने अपना वो जितना रिसर्च करने का किया सारा किया. I did research for means YouTube articles, all the things. So bottom line, I want to list it out. First, sugar में जो crystals होते हैं और उसका जो क्रिस्टलाइजेशन के लिए जो केमिकल्स यूज होता है वो सबसे ज्यादा मतलब फैट को एक्यूमुलेट करता है बॉडी में. तो फैट को रिप्लेस करो आप, जो भी आप अगर डेट शुगर ले लो या फिर चीप एंड बेस्ट इज द मिश्री को आप ग्राइंड करके पाउडर बना के यूज करो. सेकेंडली मैं सॉल्ट ज्यादा खाता था. तो सॉल्ट जो है बॉडी में जो वाटर है उसको रिटेन करता है, तो उसको आप रिलीज कर दो, ये कम करो, सो दैट वो आपका कम करेगा, क्या कहते हैं, वाटर कंटेंट जो है कम करेगा. सो फैट लूज करने में वो हेल्प करता है. सेकेंडली इवनिंग एंड जो 10-11 टाइम वी AM and 4 PM I used to have some snack kind of stuff, replaced it by fruit. Okay, mostly not all the days, 30 days 7 fruit kha rahe, but mostly in a week say 1 or 2 times I'm going for fast food or some kind of snacks, but mostly replace that with food, just it. And hardly not a hard and fast rule that half an hour exercise daily, but whenever I used to get up early, I used to walk for half an hour and so, and little bit of body weight exercise, and I weighed nearby in 3 months or so 9 kgs. And I had shared in my Facebook for a while that if anyone is interested, then have a look over there. So that's how I changed drastically. And I thought that if the market, what has been for fitness and this looking good, is exploiting and by scaring us that we should do this and that, it will be happening this. But if we stick with the basics, that why it is happening and how it can be resolved, we don't need to go for some expensive stuff.
So your voice is mute.
Good.
Okay, now, so let us focus on Risha. Risha, do you want to say something?
So, you know what? It's so much fun. Actually, it was like having us all together, having so much fun together. But still, I wish हम लोग सचमुच साथ में होते और बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आता.
So you all people want this sessions, these sessions to be regular?
Of course.
These weekly sessions, every Sunday 2 PM is fine. 2 PM.
By now 2 PM.
Sunday.
Make it 3 if possible.
For Sunday 8 PM. Okay. Do let me know about your timing preferences on Sunday. and share in the Telegram group. Okay, and we will definitely like doing these sessions regularly so that we can actually feel revived and we can have more ideas about writing also. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
let's go to
Abhiyuk.
like Praveen. Do you want to
Abhiyuk.
add something over here? You are joining like sessions passively right now, like after a lot of long time. So you have something to say?
Yes, sir. For some reason, means it's very unfortunate for me that I am not joining. I am unable to join valuable sessions these days. But I miss these sessions a lot, and I just got to know about this, that we are meeting at 8 p.m. and I just make my mind, and thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And I'm wishing everyone, you, sir. I'm wishing you and everyone, sir, a very successful 1 year, and I hope that it will be continuing for years to come, sir.
Definitely, it's going to happen. And thank you so much for joining the session now. Shibangi, do you want to add something, please, Shibangi? Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
सर अवयुक्त के जोक्स बाकी थे, बस यही बोलना था.
अच्छा ठीक है. तो अब हम इस सेशन को फिनिश करते हैं. ठीक है. If you like this session, type yes in the comments in the Facebook live. Go over there and type yes, I like the session, today's session, and I want more sessions like that. Okay. Thank you so much for coming, joining the session. The prizes of the contest and the quiz will be distributed in some time in the Telegram group, and I'll be sharing the screenshots over there. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a great evening. Thank you so much for joining and adding so much fun activities over here today. Thank you. Bye, Avyukt. Bye, Rishna. Bye, Saurabh. Bye, Praveen. Bye. Mayur. Moli Krishna, Shibangi, Nikhil, and Priyanka, and 2 non-video participants who are left over there. Okay.
So I
Bye-bye.
think
Take care.
you are missing something. So I think it was surprise cash. I think reward in the end. I think
that cash has been done now already.
It's already gone.
Yeah. The quiz prize, then contest prize.
Right.
Quiz was surprise, huh?
Right. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much for telling that, Nikhil. Actually, I told him that please tell me if I forget something.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for Nikhil.
Thank you so much, sir. Good night.
Thank you so much, sir.
Good night.
So much, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.